we're about to place a black cat in our boat, and then have fun.
And hope we don't die.
That's very good. Throw it right in here.
Yeah,
I don't feel like dying.
I don't want to lose a nipple.
Ah! It's in the boat. You're dead.
This isn't very interesting yet.
It's a dud. The only time we make a video and it's a dud. Are you?
Hardcore.
Okay, sorry, that's it. Bye. That was the last one. Okay, guys, conclude the session. 34.
Succeeded. You're going the wrong way, Connor.
My mom is gonna kill me.
Connor, this isn't where we're supposed to go. Connor's going the wrong way.
I'm battling on the left side.
Wow, what a bunch of... Yes.
No, go backwards.
Thanks, Hayden.
Hayden's down the video. 10 seconds. Do something cool.
Matt, I hate you.
Cooler. They took on water, folks.